In that way, you already know that by the time you start investing, you're investing with intent, and also your returns that you're getting, they will also afford you to also buy the next property.
If you do have a power team that can actually show you how to run numbers, that can actually be the ones that are actually collecting the rentals from everybody in that property, then it becomes easier for you as the property investor.
But if I sold a property and I give you your market value, 3 months later, we can relook at the commission discussion. So
Invest like a pro with no wealth.